Vendor kill meters from her gate. So the man them dash with her next lady. And that's what we're going to talk about in today's report. So hope everybody alright and have a good time anywhere in the world in the day I watch this right now. Hope you all join the One Banger Than family. If you haven't joined us yet, by subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay connected. Please remember that it's important to smash the like button and leave a comment on this video so YouTube could rank up this video and recommend this video to a lot more people who would like to see this. So okay, to let man share a smile with her younger sister moment before she was killed meters from her gate in a drive-by shooting in Southside, Kingston. Letman 52, a close vendor, has been described by her siblings as fun, loving. Oh, the last thing me and my sister share for be a smile. After their grief, stricken sister Shana, as the tears began to flow. So that's the news from the Jamaican star people. And of course, I want to leave an opinion down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this lady, this close vendor. You see me with the man them dash way. You see me, and this woman probably had to sell little clothes and little hustling to feed her family, take care of herself, pay her bills them and them look how you there. You see me? So it's kind of sad to see what really happened to the lady, you see me? But as I say people, I don't want to think about this in the comment section. And since recently, like the past 2 to 3 weeks, the amount of female who we hear so dead. Who not found over here, so found over there, so. Who for throat no cut off and chop off. Who not get raped, I get gunshot, and one bag of sitting there going. You see me now? We wonder why the man them a kill off the female them so hard do them thing to the female them, you see me? And I always say it as a man, we have to respect the woman them, you see me? Whether you're a woman, little girl, big woman, whole woman, we have to respect every single female. You see me? Because when we pray back on woman, without woman, we would do there. You see me? And woman are the best thing God could have put on earth for mankind said we. You see me? But the main part is without a woman, we could do there. Because them never dare to bring me for 9 months, you see me? Any little game could have play. Enough of we could have get dash way. You see me? Enough people could have get this and that. Abortion man bag of thing happen to them. You see me? Dead while them are birth and them look how we are there. Their mother can dead while them are birth said we are. You see me? While giving birth, so yo, we have to respect woman in every single way when we pray back. But people, as I say, we leave for no honest opinion in the comment section about this. But we don't want to think about them things and when you see them things that take place in the local country. You see me, one bag of women are dead, all women are dead, bigger get raped. You see me, all both everywhere you turn your ear say, yo, this a woman are dead over here, so and be a thing are going. You see me, overall, no killing no fear go on. You see me, even though I know say people are fear dead, but certain killing like them enough fear go on where people are get robbed and people are get raped and are dead and them look away there. You see me? We want to put a stoppage to them thing that even though we know say yo it a go hard. Yeah, but still nothing beat a man with try. You see me? Nothing beat a try. So we still have to try even though it might seem impossible for certain things stop. You see me? We still have to try because nothing beat a try. So as I tell people, leave an opinion down below in the comment section and let me know what you think. So right now we're going to share our next video, a little video with a police officer and a man, a Russell. You see me? Now we don't know where them up and where the man do the police officer. You see me? But we see that video here go on and I circulate. So of course I think it's safe for me share it said way. You see me? So when you watch a video here, people let me know one thing in the comment section. Also, if you haven't joined the One Banger Than family as yet, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell right now and join.
We're so wicked! We're so wicked! We're so wicked! We're so wicked!